Hi everyone, it's Teacher Joel, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own DIY Halloween spider. So for today's activity, we're going to be using craft sticks, pom-poms, googly eyes or buttons, markers, and hot glue gun and glue sticks. So I'm going to take 4 popsicle sticks, I'm going to glue them down together because spiders have 8 legs. Make sure that when you're using your hot glue gun, you have a grown-up around. Now that we have our spider legs glued all together, I'm going to get a pom-pom to put right on top to make it into a body. Next, I'm going to grab some googly eyes and buttons to give our spider some eyes so they can see. If you want to be anatomically correct, you can give your spiders up to 6 or 12 eyes. But typically, spiders have 8 eyes. Did you know that although spiders do have 8 eyes, they are actually nearsighted, which means they can't see very far away. However, that doesn't seem to be a problem for spiders catching prey. And when you're done with your spider, feel free to give it its final touches using markers for design. And there you have it, guys, your very own decorative Halloween spider. Happy Halloween!